Hello everybody, I'm out here on the Nolichucky River all by myself. I'm on my friend's property. He's up there in his cabin, up there with them lights on his porch. Got my F-150, got my fishing poles on the ground, got my tent set up, Coleman stove on the table, propane, cooler, some jugs of water. Got my tent set up, Coleman lantern hanging off a tree branch. Come a major storm here, major storm. My tent got drenched and wet. I got a kerosene lantern in my tent. There's my bed for the night. Got some water in here, so my bed's dry. We're on the river here. Got a tripod for a lantern, and want to go out here and see if we can get a view of the water. Pretty dark. I got a light lit up here. Doesn't show up. See my cigarette smoke. F-150, neighbor living over there in the double wide. My friend up there in his cabin. My truck, my lantern, my table, my stuff, my tent. Going to go camping here tonight. Sleep in the tent. Got my cooler, my food in it, fishing poles. So come a major storm and I'm all alone out here by myself on the river bank. Just me. My friend's up there asleep in the cabin. It's just me. Thought I'd shoot a quick video here and we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to sleep in this tent on the river bank by myself, and worst comes to worst, I can jump in the F-150 and sleep in the passenger side seat. Got the door unlocked. Just thought I'd make a video. Thank y'all for watching.